Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to check whether your passport is ready or not. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly consider subscribing. All you have to do is you go to, I'm using my phone to record because these people have been closing my YouTube channel for no reason. So you go to e-citizen, that's e-citizen, and then you enter, you wait for it to load. It's gonna take some time. There we go. And then you sign in. I'll give you the I'll sign in, then I'll show you what it brings. E-citizen, then you put here your ID number. There we go. Then you log in. This after logging in, this is what it brings. Okay, so to check your passport whether it's ready or not, you go here to Directorate of Immigration Services, new application. You click there, let it load, continue. Now if it is showing like this, receiving, it means that your passport is ready. Okay, it means that your passport is ready. So all you have to do is you go to poster. You have to book where you want that passport to be sent. Poster here. Slot. Then you will enter here the tracking number, that number that you were given when you went to fill the biometrics at maybe Nyayo House or nearest Huduma Center. You enter here your tracking number, then you click on track my passport. You will fill in the details, then you will be required to pay a certain amount of money, and your passport will be sent to your nearest box address or nearest Huduma Center. Yes, if you have any question, please don't forget to ask down in the comments below, and I'll be able to answer you. Like this video and please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and have a nice day.